What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick and definitely not easy except this Honda CRV, and we are replacing Swaybar links on this one. Okay, so first thing first, what you want to do, you want to remove 18 millimeter, and that's all you're going to need. You're going to need 2 wrenches, 18 mil. 18 mil right here, you're going to place one behind, get both sides up. The other side on this car is already broken. That's why when you get this out, come on, get out, you can move this sway bar up and down, up and down. Anyways, so you want to remove those. 18 mil in front and 18 mil at the back. There we go. So that's done. The old one is out. So what you're gonna have to do is, this ones don't have a grease points. If they did, you would have to put like a little bit inside because they already come with some grease inside. And this ones don't, so there's nothing else you can do. Just carefully put it back. There we go. And for this one, you're gonna need size 6 Allen and an 18 mil. Alright, so that's N. Put a bolt at the bottom, or not a bolt, nut at the bottom. Okay, so you're gonna need, like I said, size 6 Allen, and then righty tighty lefty loosey. Do this, and Allen's gonna just be so you can keep it in place. Still loose. Come on. There we go. Yes and that. That's it. That's it. Get my Allen out. There we go. That's it, done. Job is donezo. Now I have to go to the other side and just tighten it up with not a ratcheting side, but there's just a regular side. Tighten it up a little bit more, make sure it's all the way.